Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how you export the model which you have created in AutoCAD to protostructure. Before I continue, I need to make some changes. Here we have a cantilever slab instead of the beam extending. Then here we'll have a grid line. This grid line, we copy it from here to the midpoint. Where is the midpoint? Yes, around there. Yeah, that's cool. Then you need to extend this for uniformity with the protostructure. We extend. And then we need to rename this the layer for column and grid. Go to the properties manager. Column, this one. You rename layer. Grid column. Go to grid. There's grid lines. Name it to grid. Another thing now we need to do is save this plan as a block. Select all of it, only the first floor. Using it to model. On your keyboard you type W, go to block, select where you want to save it. With the desktop, you can call it tutorial prota export. And save it in the DXF file. Click save, click OK. You can close this one. Now you should open your protostructure. Go to new project, select the code. For me I use the 8110. Click OK. First you need to name the code. You can call it tutorial. Use a hyphen. Use the hyphen RCC. Click OK. To export your drawing in protostructure 2021, you click here, external reference drawing, you add, go to where you saved your DXF, it is open. Now let's make it active. The reason why we change the name for grid and column, so that they can be visible. Export the members so that they can be input automatically. Then you import, then close, then you key. You can see the columns have already been inputted. Now the only thing remaining is to input your beams and slabs on other floors. Thank you.